go. Open the car now. Let's go. Let's go open the car. Alright. Come on, Hot Wheels. Okay. Hot Wheels. Okay. One more Hot Wheels. Another Hot Wheels, guys. This one is a Hot Wheels. Okay. Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels is one of the most popular.
One more time. 1, 2, 3.
Brand of the toys. Okay, Hot Wheels. So everything is okay. Open that one. Show it. Show it to the camera. Say Hot Wheels. Say Hot Wheels, Daddy. Open the car, boy. Say Hot Wheels. Say Hot Wheels. I have one more Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels right here. Okay? So enjoy it. Okay? Last. Say Hot Wheels. Yay! You have a lot of Hot Wheels toys. Okay? Okay. Give me. This is how you open it. Wow, it's hard to open it. Wow, wow, wow. There, Hot Wheels. Okay? Okay, Hot Wheels. You have a lot of Hot Wheels, boy. Okay? Sit this one here. Okay? Okay. These are Hot Wheels, okay? Hot Wheels. Go open the car. Open it. Open it the way you want it. Go open it, car. You need a little push, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on, let's go. Okay. 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 It's too heavy. This truck is too heavy. Go ahead, little push. Not back up, bro. Come on, let's go. There's something wrong. Am I too heavy for you, baby?
Wow!
Mark, go ahead and keep loading the car. Slide it. That's how you play. Okay? You need to roll it. Alright, time to play. Things we never got over. We were a little. I don't have all of this stuff. Mark, you just need to close it. All you need to do is just keep on loading it and slide it. Okay.
Keep on loading.
It's supposed to be loaded. Slide it. We cannot hold it what we want.
Dad can keep loading like
Mark
this.
wants to make it straight.
You can make it tight. So.
Mark, please slide it. That's all I want to see. Okay?
I can fill up. Wow!
Mark, it's over. Okay? We'll do it here. Let's keep doing it. Okay? Slide. Macho, Mark, let me show you. Okay. Mark, slide. Because your energy you already use it. at your iPad for 7 hours. So when you play,
So strong.
okay. Power up this one. Move there. It's gonna power up down there. One. Ah, that's not good. You have to leave the Batman first time on the elevator machine. See that?
I'm gonna do that.
Mark, we're gonna do this
Wow.
20 more times, okay?
Oh,
Because you guys are not really sliding it. You only slide it once in a while. Slide everything. Everything, boy.
I'm gonna do this too.
Okay?
See? This next car.
Supposed to slide.
Oh! How about this SpongeBob? Wow!
Okay, let's camera action. Keep sliding, boy. Okay? We're tired of the old one. You didn't even slide it before. It's time to do your part.
I can do that. blue car.
Slide them.
Wow!
Okay? Be waiting one area.
Ah! I want to do it.